Hello and welcome to a new episode of Foodie Zest. Today we are going to see some easy breakfast recipes. Here I have not included the usual upma and poha recipes. So the first item is moong dal dosa, and the ingredients required are around 2.5 cups of soaked moong dal. I have soaked it overnight. And we need around 8 to 10 red chillies. I have soaked them in water for 10 minutes so that it will be easier for grinding them. Then I have taken around 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Then we need some oil and salt and some water for making the batter. Now into a blender, let's add the soaked moong dal. Along with some water and the soaked red chillies and cloves, garlic cloves. If you don't like the taste of red chillies, you can go for green chillies. Now let's blend it into a smooth paste and add some water to get the perfect consistency. The batter should be like that of the dosa batter. Now add some salt, mix it well. Now let's start making the dosas. Heat a pan and let it be on medium flame, and once the pan is hot enough, pour the batter and spread it into a dosa. Add some oil for taste. Now once the side becomes slightly brown, flip it and cook it for around 2 to 3 seconds. Now our dosa is done. Let's take it out and let's make the remaining as well. This is a crispy dosa and you need to have it slightly warm. Now our healthy and easy breakfast recipe is ready. That is moong dal dosa. This tastes best with ginger chutney. Next item on the list is wheat puttu. Again a very simple recipe. For this we need around 2.5 cups of wheat flour. We need some grated coconut, some plain water and salt. Now into a bowl, let's add the wheat flour and the salt and mix it well. Now wet the flour, adding water little at a time. We need to make it just like the breadcrumbs, slightly wet breadcrumbs. That is the consistency we need for making wheat puttu. You should not pour all the water at a time and make it into a dough. Just crumble the flour, adding water. Now this should be the consistency. The mixture should form a ball when we combine it, but it shouldn't be too wet or sticky. So this is the perfect texture. Now into a cooker, add some water and heat it without putting the weight. Meanwhile, let's add the mixture into a puttu maker. So this is a puttu maker. You have a perforated disc inside it. So first place it properly and then let's add the grated coconut. Then add the mixture. That is the wheat flour mixture which we have prepared. Give it a gentle press, but do not press it too hard. If you want, you can add another layer of coconut. Now once you see the steam, you can just place the puttu maker onto the nozzle of the cooker and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our puttu is ready. You can see the steaming wheat puttu. It can be served with banana or sugar or any spicy gravy. You can see it's super fluffy and moist. This is a very simple yet tasty breakfast recipe. Our next item is a smoothie, that is apple and dates smoothie. It's a very simple recipe. The ingredients required are half cup milk, preferably skimmed, 1 small sized apple and 5 to 6 dates pitted. So just add them into a blender and blend it. If your dates are too sweet, then add just 3 to 4. That would be enough. Now let's blend it into a smoothie. If the consistency is too thick, you can either add some water or milk. And within 3 minutes, a healthy breakfast is ready. Fourth item is MUTTA SURKA or egg SURKA. So the ingredients required are 2 cups of rice flour, 2 eggs, half cup of cooked rice, some salt and oil, and water for making the batter. Let's start making it. Into a blender, add the rice flour, the cooked rice and the eggs, and add some water to blend it into a smooth paste. Here I am blending it in 2 batches as my blender is not big enough. Add enough water as to get a smooth paste. Now add some salt. Now our batter is ready. It should be in the consistency of idli batter. Now heat a pan and add oil for deep frying and pour the batter as I have shown here. Flip and fry them on medium flame until they are well cooked. Now it's done, let's take them out. Yet another easy and tasty recipe, MUTTA SURKA. You can see how soft it is. You can have it with egg roast or any spicy side dish. Our final item is corn sandwich. The ingredients required are 4 slices of bread, 3/4 cup of boiled sweet corn, some fresh coriander leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Then we need some mixed herbs or pizza seasoning and burger sauce or any flavored mayonnaise. Then we need some oil. Now into a bowl, add the boiled sweet corn, chopped coriander leaves, red chilli flakes. You can add more if you want it spicy. Then the mixed herbs. Now give it a nice mix, and then let's add the burger sauce or the flavored mayonnaise, whichever you have. Mix it well. Now heat a pan and add a little bit of oil to toast the bread slices. Slightly toast them, and once it's done, let's spread the corn mixture onto them. Now again into the same pan, add some oil and toast the breads to get a nice and crunchy crust. So now our toasts are ready. I have cut them and now it's ready to be served. It's very crunchy and soft and juicy inside. I hope you all liked this video. All the recipes are super easy and tasty. So please do try and leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest and keep supporting me.